Yeah.
Okay. So, good evening to all. And before starting, I would like to thank Sophia ma'am, who is given chance to host this show. And very good evening to Prakash sir and my co-learners of weekend student. And one quote, like behind every successful team is a dedicated coach who refused to let a team be anything but the best they can be. So today, I would like to introduce today's activity. So first, I will learn article. It would be the like part two, and part one has been finished yesterday by our experienced teacher Ruchi ma'am. In the second season, we will update ourselves by the current affair and which would be explained by Anuj and Nityanand sir. So first, I would like to call Ruchi ma'am to teach us a grammar portion what she has. So before that, I would like dedicate one quote to Prakash sir. My mentor said, "Let's go do it, not you go do it." And how powerful when someone say "Let's." So Ruchi ma'am, please start.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Excuse me, Ruchi madam. Before starting, I want to correct my mistake, yesterday's mistake, and Shanta
Yeah,
madam corrected my mistake. Yesterday, I told this is very easy topic. Okay. And madam corrected. I want to, it looks easy, but it's not easy. That's why I don't like to teach. It's clear.
Yes sir.
Actually, for me
Yes, sir.
personally, I want to, it is very complicated topic for me, and especially the article. Okay, and often make mistakes while using the. So I have an opportunity to learn something more about the article, and I will reduce my mistakes using the article. So thank you very much, Ruchi madam, for choosing this topic and teaching us.
thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Uh, Good evening, all of you. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. So yesterday we learned about article A and N. Today we will learn about the article the. So let's start. Article the. The is known as definite article. It is used for a particular thing or person. It is used for a particular person or thing. The article is same for all genders and singular, all genders in singular and in plural. So let's start uh, with uses of the article. When we use article the, first thing is things of nature or unique. Things of nature or unique. Uh, okay. Uh, just a minute, actually. Yeah. First, like that, the sun. Sun is unique for all over the world. So the sun, the sky, the earth. But the is not used before hell, heaven, God, and parliament. Clear? Next one is directions. Next one is directions. So example is the sun rises in the east. East is the direction. So the sun rises in the east. Next, the name of river, ocean, sea, hills, lakes, dams, trains, ships, desert. There are so many things. The names of rivers, oceans, seas, hills, lakes, dams, trains, ships, desert. The examples are the Ganga. Ganga is our holy river. So we use before Ganga, the Ganga. The Shatabdi Express. Shatabdi Express, it's a train name. So the Shatabdi Express. the Himalayas, the Bhakra Dam, the Sahara Desert, the Indian Ocean. So all these things, before these, we use the. Next one is the names of newspapers, magazines, religious book. We have many religious books: Gita, Quran, Bible, Guru Granth Sahib. So before the name, name of these books, we use the Gita, the Indian Express, the India Today. So before newspaper, magazine, and religious books, we use article the. Next one is the name of historical buildings, public places, religious places. The name of historical buildings, public places, religious places. The Taj Mahal. Everyone you know Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal. The Golden Temple. The zoo. So these are some historical places or public places. So Anush, tell me name of some historical buildings.
The Red Fort.
The Red Fort. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Geeta ma'am, tell me the name of any temple using the.
The Lotus Temple.
Yeah.
The Lotus Temple.
Yes. Good. So next, just a minute, I removed all this. Okay. Next one is the name of the organization of workshop, factory, party, bank. The Congress, the State Bank of India. The Congress, the State Bank of India. Congress is organization. So before that, we use the Congress. The State Bank of India. Next one is historical event. Historical event. Historical event like the Battle of Panipat. The Battle of Panipat. So it is the historical event. Rohit, tell me one historical event.
One historic event like
The Second World War, the first World War.
the
Like
World War.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
The Jallianwala Bagh.
Jallianwala.
Yes. Next one is big post. Big posts like the president, the prime minister, the director. These are the big posts. So before these posts, we use article the. Okay. Next one is words evening, morning, afternoon. Before these words, we use the. But if words last, next, or every, it is not coming before it. Example, in the evening. Children we are playing in the evening. So in the evening, in the morning. At that time, we use the before evening and morning. But if there is a word last, every, or next, before evening, morning, So at that time we don't use article the. Last evening, every morning. Okay. Next.
Excuse me, Ruchi madam. Ruchi madam.
Yeah.
Only for
Yes.
evening and morning we will use the. Afternoon we should not use the. Before afternoon we should not use the.
Yeah. Yes. And night also we don't use the.
Yeah.
Superlative degree. Yeah. Superlative degree. When we use superlative degree, so before that we use the greatest, the most, the fastest. So before superlative degrees, we use the. Okay. So next one, comparative degree. When we have comparative degree, but at that time that is not used before it. It's clear? For comparative degree, if that is not used before it. Example, she is the wiser. Wiser is comparative degree of the two sisters. Here we don't use that. At that time, before comparative degree, we use article the. She is the wiser of the two sisters. Okay. Next, the common noun. The common noun which has already been mentioned or which are already known. Before common noun, we use article a or n. There was a boy. Boy is common noun, and before boy, we use article a. There was a boy. Now we know that boy. So in the next sentence, we write, the boy was hungry. Here we use article the, because now we know about that boy. In the first sentence, we use article a. There was a boy. But in the next sentence, at that time, we know the boy. So we write, the boy was hungry. I know the man who came here last night. So last night, that man came. So here we write before man article the. I know the man who came here last night. Next, proper noun for making it plural. All of you know there are surnames Gupta, Sharma. So when we use as plurals, at that time, before these surnames, we use the Guptas, the Sharmas, the Greens. So for proper noun for making it plural, we put the article before that, the. Next one is the adjective which are used as noun. Yesterday we learned about verb which are used as noun. Here adjectives. So before these adjective, the adjective which are used as noun. So before that we use the rich, the brave. Rich, brave, poor, all are adjectives. But when we use these adjectives as noun, at that time we put article the. We put article the. So here is an example. The rich should help the poor. the poor. Here rich, here rich, here rich used as a noun. Rich is a adjective, but in this sentence, rich used as noun. So the rich should help the poor. Poor also used as noun. So in this sentence, before the both of the adjectives, we use article the. It's clear?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So another example is the English are proud of their sense of humor. So here also English we use as a noun. Next one is the dates. When we write date, then because date is particular, so at that time before the dates we use article the. Today is the 3rd of December. So before 3rd we use article the. Today is the 3rd of December. So we use article the before the date. So there, these are so many things. Before that we use article the. And next one is after the word all and both and before word whole and same. After the word all and both. All the boys, both the girls. So after words all and both, we use article the. All the boys, both the girls. And before whole and same, the whole class, the same shirt, we use article the. Next one is the thing which is specific or particular. Which is specific or particular. That is the house. The girl standing in the first row. So girl is specific. In the first row, there are so many girls. The girl is standing in first row. So the girl is, this is a specific girl. So we put the before the girl. Next one is community and caste. Community and caste. The English, the Hindus, the French. Before all these, we use article the. Before all these, we use article the. Next one. Okay, I want to tell one thing. One day Pankaj sent a message on our WhatsApp group. Here he described when we, the word the, when we call it the and the. Okay, so when we use, we say it the or the. For vowels, what we speak for this thing, Pankaj told, Pankaj, before vowels we speak the or the.
It's the.
Yeah.
The.
And
Hello.
for yeah.
Before consonant, it's
Yeah,
the.
Pankaj.
Yeah,
Pankaj.
before consonant, we saying like the.
Yeah.
And before vowel, we are saying like the. We pronounce like.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Spelling is same, pronunciation is different. So next, normally the is not used before the name of any country and person. When we say India, at that time we don't use article the. So the is not used before the name of any country or person. But such countries which are united, the is used before their name. It's very important. Such countries which are united, the is used before their name. The UK, the USA, the UAE. So one thing I want to say, we don't use an article before the name of country except where they indicate multiple area or contain the word state, kingdom, republic, union. Okay, I repeat it again. We don't use an article before the name of countries except where they indicate multiple area or contain the words state, kingdom, republic, union. Anusuya, tell me the full form of UK.
United Kingdom, ma'am.
Yeah, United Kingdom. So here we in United Kingdom, the word here united. So before UK we placed the. So in the same manner, USA, the full form USA. Papiya told me the full form of USA.
United States of America.
Yeah,
Yes,
United States.
United States of America.
Yeah, United States of America. So here in United, so that's why before USA we use article the. Shrivani, the full form of UAE.
United Arab Emirates.
Yeah, here also United. So before these countries we use article the. Okay, it's clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So we move
Yes,
on to the
ma'am.
next. Yeah. So these are some cases where we use the. Next one is no article. There are some examples when we don't use any article. First one is the is not used before school, college, church, prison, when the purpose of going is there the same for which it was meant for. Like that, I go to college daily. So purpose, what is the purpose? Study. So I go to college daily. So before college, we don't use any article. I go to bed. Purpose is sleep. So we don't use any article in this sentence. Next one is article is not used before words lunch, dinner, breakfast. Okay. Example, I invited him to dinner. So before dinner, we don't use any article. I invited him to dinner. He had his breakfast. He had his breakfast. It's also necessary to know when in the sentence there is no article. Article is not used before the name of disease, language, and color. Example, she died of dengue fever. So before dengue, we don't use any article. I can speak Tamil. He likes blue color. He likes blue color. So before blue, there is no article. And when the color is used as adjective, color is used as an adjective, at that time we use article. Example, he keeps a black pen. Here black is adjective. So before black we use article a. She has red sari. So red, here red is adjective of sari. So before red, we use adjective, we use article a. It's clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ruchi ma'am, one question from my side. Sanjeev here.
Yeah.
Sometime actually we don't know that article, we need to use article or not. So what are the best practice to use if we don't know we can use article or not? So what are the best
Yeah,
practice?
it's yeah, when we practice, after that we perfect. So I told so many things when we don't use any article. So remember all of them, and practice make man perfect.
Yeah, that's right. But we
Okay.
don't know. After practice, even we forgot, right? We need to use article or not. So what are the best practice to use article or not that place? Generally, what we do, we use article some places where we don't need to use it.
Yeah,
So what are the best?
So we know, we know on which place we don't use article. Here I told where we don't use articles. So after some time you read all these things 2-3 times. After that you know where we don't use articles. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. The is not used before shops, bank, hotels, which are affiliated with the name of the person who started them. Raymond's. So before Raymond's, we don't use article. McDonald's. So we don't use the. The is not used with the name of company. There are so many companies. Indian Oil Corporation Limited. So before that, we don't use any article. Maruti, Colgate, Sony. These are the name of companies. So before this, we don't use any article. The is not used when possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are my, his, her come before the superlative degree. Example, she is my best friend. At that time, she is my best friend. So here my is possessive noun. So before that, we don't use article. She is her best classmate. So her also a possessive pronoun. So before in this sentence, we don't use any article. I am here, dearest friend. I am her dearest friend. So her also possessive pronoun. So in this sentence, we don't use any article.
Ma'am, I want to know one thing. So any kind of language means that time we can use the or not.
Any kind of
language means the Tamil.
No. Before language, no. Before language, we don't use any article. Okay.
Okay.
So in a way, art. Yes.
Means, ma'am,
Yes,
I noticed. I see somewhere. I was somewhere. They are writing the English language.
No. I told an example. I like to speak Tamil. Okay. So before Tamil, there is no article. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So in a way, article can also be described as a type of adjective, as they also tell us about the noun like adjectives. Article always tell about the noun. Its noun is common or specific. So articles are also known as determiners. I think, sir, we have less time. How much time remaining?
Around
So,
one
1:30.
minute around.
Okay, okay. So I hand over our platform to Yogesh.
Yeah.
Okay. So there is an exercise also if we have time. So we can do in the next. We will do in the next session.
Okay. So Prakash sir will tell us in the next session. So we should continue from the exercise, or we should continue with the current affairs.
We will do exercise in our WhatsApp group.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we have less than 1 minute. So in the beginning of the second session, we are going to give a feedback speech to Ruchi madam. Okay, so all be ready. Personally, I enjoyed a lot, and I'm so grateful to you. Because of you, I have learned something new about the article and the article, and I will try to reduce my mistakes while using the article. So thank you very much for working hard for us. And it is really valuable information and knowledge for us. So